Hello everyone, welcome back. This is just going to be another short video of myself replacing the handlebar and taking you through how I've done the LED. Thanks for watching and hopefully it'll help someone else. Oh yeah, take the bar end off, undo that, and hopefully I might manage to just slide everything across, but the grips are what I'm worried about. So what do we need there? Who puts a Phillips on a bar end? Absolute psychopath. So all I'm doing here, it's a little trick I've sort of learned throughout trying this, is spraying a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and just twisting the tiny little bit of slack on the grip, and it breaks down the glue that's already there and sort of lubricates the actual grip a little bit to come off. So it does the job quite nicely. As you'll see, it pops off pretty well. It's also really good for getting it back on, because you can put isopropyl alcohol in it, it'll lubricate it to put it on, but then it evaporates it. So you've still got a pretty sturdy grip on afterwards. Right, okay, we're looking good. We've got the new handlebars on there now, so I'll take you quickly through what we had to do for the light conversion. Now, as you can see, all nice and sorted. No longer whacking the tank every time I turn. And under here, we have, for the new LED indicators back here, we literally pulled them straight up and into here, because out underneath, up into here, put these little inline adapters on again that we used on the keyway conversion, and it was literally as simple as that. No splicing was needed because they were just the right length with these, so well happy.